Hello! It's your girl, Fly Girl Nina, and welcome back to Fly Girl Bartending. Happy Valentine's Day, or better yet, happy Galentine's Day if you are single like me this season. I don't know what y'all have planned, but for me, I plan on treating myself, and what better way to do that than with some chocolate-covered strawberries? And not just with any chocolate-covered strawberries. Today, we are making Boozy chocolate-covered strawberries. And let me tell you, they are so good. So let's just get right into it, shall we? Okay, first things first, you're gonna need a cutting board or a plate and some parchment paper because this is where we're gonna place our strawberries. Next, grab a microwavable container and pour in some candy melts. I used about 300 milliliters for this recipe. Then, you want to pop that in the microwave in 30-second intervals and stirring the chocolate in between to prevent it from burning. After the microwave, this is what it should look like, and then we're going to grab a spatula and give it a quick stir to double check and make sure all the chocolate is melted. Next, I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to dip with some non-boozy strawberries. But it's super easy. Literally, you just dip the strawberries in the chocolate and set them on the parchment paper. Now we're gonna add the booze. And to be honest, you can add whatever kind of liquor you want. But using a jigger, I'm going to add about an ounce total of liquor. 1/4 of that ounce, I'm using Coffee Liququer, and 3/4 of the ounce, I'm using cognac. So just pour the liquor in and stir it up to incorporate. All these flavors go super well together and create a rich, deepened flavor. And then you're just gonna copy the same process as before, just dipping the strawberries in the chocolate and placing them on the parchment paper. Now, I do want to say a couple things. There's another technique where people put the booze in these little plastic pipettes and stick them in the strawberries, which is also going to make them taste more like a shot in the strawberries. The technique I'm using is to incorporate the booze within the chocolate. With that being said, because alcohol doesn't have a high freezing quality, the chocolate on these strawberries aren't going to turn out with a hard shell coating. They may be a bit more melty, but I personally like it that way, and the more booze you add, the more melty the chocolate coating is going to be. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up if your strawberries turn out to be kind of melty to not be alarmed. So this is what it looks like when all the strawberries are dipped in chocolate, and we're going to pop them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Also, feel free to double dip them if you want more chocolate, but you want to do the second coating after you take them out of the fridge, and then put them back in the fridge. Next, we're gonna decorate them with some more chocolate, but we're gonna use a pink chocolate this time. By the way, there's a bunch of different colored candy melts out there, so feel free to play around with some cool color combos. So essentially, we're gonna do the same thing as before and melt the chocolate in the microwave. Then we're gonna take a plastic baggie and scoop in the chocolate. We're gonna use this plastic baggie kind of like a piping bag, which, by the way, I'm not a baker. I'm just a bartender, FYI. But anyway, once the chocolate is in the bag, snip off a small piece of one of the corners of the bag and drizzle the chocolate quickly in a zigzag motion. Again, I'm not a professional baker. I definitely think if you drizzled the strawberries over a bowl to catch the excess chocolate, it would probably look a bit more polished, but at the end of the day, they still look really cute and we'll be eating them anyway. Then when you're all done with decorating them, put them back in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to harden. Okay, now's an extra fun part because we're gonna assemble them in this cute heart-shaped gift box. First, open the heart-shaped gift box and put in some red paper shred and spread it out. Then you want to grab some cute cupcake liners and place one strawberry in each of the liners. So it should look something like this. Then it's super easy, just put them in the box and assemble them the way you want to. And voila, you guys. Literally, this was such an easy and fun dessert to make, and this cute presentation just takes it to another level. Feel free to gift this box to a loved one, or you can keep it all to yourself like me. And voila, you guys, that's how to make the most adorable and delicious Boozy chocolate covered strawberries for Valentine's Day. They look so pretty, I don't even want to touch them. But you know, someone's got to take one for the team and try one of these out. Cheers! Oh my gosh. That is so good. Bro, these are so good. Absolutely perfect for Valentine's Day. See, this is one of those gifts that you wish that your man got you for Valentine's Day without you having to like give him hints and stuff. I'm manifesting that my future man knows though. If you end up trying this recipe out for yourself, please tag me with the hashtag #FlagrantBartending because I would love to see your beautiful work. Anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely Valentine's Day, and I hope you treat yourself often, not only on Valentine's Day. Stay fly.